Hi everyone, how's it going? This is Master Tuts. And have you experienced problems with video playback or ongoing buffering in the LokLok app? You're not the only one. In this video, I'll demonstrate some simple and quick solutions to restore smooth video playback. Let's dive in. First, let's identify the most common problems users face. Video won't play or freezes. Constant buffering. Playback errors like failed to load or blank screens. Audio without video. These problems are usually caused by slow or unstable internet connection, corrupted cache or data, outdated app version, server-side issues from LokLok itself, VPN or location restrictions. Make sure your connection is stable. Use Wi-Fi for smoother playback. Switch networks or restart your router if needed. To check your internet speed, simply go to Google, then type speed test. Make sure your connection is stable. Use Wi-Fi for smoother playback. Switch networks or restart your router if needed. Option 2. Clear cache and app data. Go to LokLok App. Go to Settings. Look for User Data. Then choose Free Up Space. Now continue. Option 3. Update LokLok App. Outdated apps can cause playback issues. Update, if available. Go to Settings. Then choose About. And click on Update. Now just wait for it to finish downloading. Option 4. Use a VPN. This is optional. If content is blocked in your region or servers are slow, try using a trusted VPN. Connect to a country where LokLok works better. Option 5. Reinstall the app. If nothing works, uninstall LokLok completely and reinstall it. This resets any broken configurations. And that's it. Try these fixes and get back to streaming in no time. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching.